Bongo. Hi, Julian.
This is a blizzard of 1996. There's 3 feet of snow out there.
You going to school?
No.
Tomorrow are you going to school?
No.
No. This is the first time we've ever had snow up to these windows. New Jersey is in a state of emergency and we're not allowed to go out and drive. Couldn't go anywhere if we tried anyway.
Mom, I want a drink.
Okay. Emily,
Hi.
what are we doing?
I'm going to a program.
Oh, okay, I'll follow you. Let's go.
But you have to hold it. What's it? Mom, see? This you have to hold. Mom, when we get a big cord, then we get it on television. When you get a big cord, you can watch it on television.
Are we having a bad storm?
Yes.
What is it?
A blizzard.
A blizzard? Can we go outside?
No.
No. Can we open the doors?
No.
No. See, the snow is up to the windows.
Yeah.
What do you do, Muffin? Muffin just lays around. Lazy dog. This is Emily's room. The snow's accumulating on the roof. And we're having a hard time seeing out the windows. This is my bathroom. 2nd floor. And the snow is almost covering this window.
Go and tell whose experience what I wanted. His boss and be killed and yours. Be sad. You know, it was always a good girl. Mom, come on. Yeah. So beautiful.
No.
We have to call him from something